Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the "Do you own this game" or application error on the Xbox One. So let's go ahead and jump into this Xbox tutorial right now. So how do you fix the "Do you own this game" or application error on the Xbox One? So I'm on the home screen of the Xbox One. Let's go ahead and press the Xbox button on the controller. Pop open the quick guide menu, then go to Store. Select A on this. Now under the store, let's go to Search and type in Blu-ray. So B-L-U, and it should appear on the top. Blu-ray player application. Select A on this. Now let's go ahead and get this and install on our Xbox One. And this will allow you to watch Blu-rays or DVD movies on your Xbox One. Now with the Blu-ray player application installed on our Xbox One, let's go ahead and press the Xbox button again, open up the guide menu, go to the right to the Systems tab, then go down to Settings. Now under this page, go to Devices and Streaming, then go over to Blu-ray. Then go to Persistent Storage, and clear your persistent storage on your Xbox One. Some Blu-ray discs may download related content which will hold persistent storage. Sometimes this needs to be cleared. So you can use related content from other discs. So let's go ahead and clear the persistent storage, and it's already cleared. Now let's press B and go back. Then go back up to the General tab. Go over to Power Mode and Startup. Then go to Power Mode and switch from energy saving to instant on. Once it's on instant on, let's go back to the General tab, then go over to Network Settings, scroll to the right to Advanced Settings, then go to Alternate MAC Address, select A on this, and clear your alternate MAC address. You will have to restart your Xbox One during this process, so let's go ahead and restart our Xbox One. Now go ahead and check to see if your game or applications now work. If this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more Xbox One tech out videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.